Hey, this is Kari Baxter from karibaxter.com, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to use video to grow your network marketing business. Video is fun. It makes a great connection with your audience, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to use it to grow your network marketing business. If you're not familiar with my blog, you can head on over there and check that out. You might be watching this on my blog or on YouTube. Either way, that's karibaxter.com. So today, let's talk about growing your business with video. Now, this is part of a bigger picture called attraction marketing. It's using a medium like social media or video or email to bring people to you instead of you always having to go out and hunt for other people, which used to be the old way of network marketing. Always having to be chasing your friends and family. And this is a new way to reach out to a way bigger audience than you normally would know as far as through your friends and your family. Reaching a way bigger audience and having them come to you instead of you always having to be the hunter going to them. This is attraction marketing, and it is fun, and it's a great way to do business, and it's much more comfortable and less salesy and less aggressive. So the first thing you want to do when you're using video marketing to grow your network marketing business is to keep in mind the other person. I like the acronym TINY. Their interests, not yours. Anytime you're doing network marketing, you should keep that in mind, but especially when you're doing video, because when people are coming to your video, they don't care about your story. They don't care about all your hard times. They don't really care about what you're going through right now. When you're first getting started, keep that part really, really short. I've been in network marketing for 20 years. I could go on and on about all the stories I have, but that's not why you're here. That's not what you care about. That's not what you were searching for when you were searching on YouTube, right? You're searching for how to grow your business using video marketing. So keep the other person's interest at the top of your mind. A great way to do that is how-to videos. People search YouTube and Google and Facebook and lots of other things for how to do things. And if you can, especially in the beginning, teach people how to do things, you will get more videos and more subscribers and more people coming to you, looking to you as a source of education and as an expert. So especially when you're starting out, you cannot go wrong with how-to videos and tutorials. And in network marketing, there's two ways you can go. You can teach people the business side of things or your product side of things. So decide if you're going to educate people on your products and that industry or the network marketing industry. You can go either way, and you can even do some of both. I'm in a health and wellness company, and I believe being healthy and having energy is a huge part of running a business. So I can incorporate health stuff into my business training as well. But if you're in something that maybe would be unrelated, an industry like skincare, that might be harder to integrate with, teaching people about business. So if you're going to teach people about skincare, think about, how to take care of your skin if you have acne, or if you're older, or if you're younger, or whatever. There's so many topics. And if you want to talk about the business, you can talk about how to recruit, how to invite, how to do a presentation, how to find more prospects. By the way, if you need more prospects, I have a great training on how to find prospects through Facebook called The Prospecting Formula for Busy Mompreneurs, and that's at karibaxter.com/PFBM. If you're interested in checking that out, you can. But there's just so many topics you can teach people on regarding to network marketing, even if you don't have amazing results, and even if you're just getting started. There's a concept I learned from Ray Higdon called invest, learn, teach. You can invest a little bit of your time, learn something from somebody else, and go teach it. You can take this video talking about video marketing and go teach it in your own video and, generate your own prospects. So remember, their interests, not yours, in whatever you're teaching or showing somebody how to do. So you really can't overteach. I can't emphasize that enough. That's really just the best way to go. Focus on their education. And then what do you do once you have people coming to you? Now, this could be a whole nother video, but if you say you do a video, you do like 5 videos on how to do something in network marketing, and you post them on YouTube or you do a Facebook Live, and you have people asking you questions. The number one thing you want to do is start the conversation with that other person. This isn't really a time for a hard close or even getting them on the phone. Most likely you're going to start the conversation, see where they're at, see how you can help them. And if the opportunity presents itself, you can see if they're interested in what you're doing. But really, you just want to get the conversation started and, you know, kind of move from there. Ray Higdon also says to seek a conversation over conversion. So open the door with your topic of conversation. If you did a video on how to find more prospects, you know, and people started asking you questions, you could just start a conversation on where they're struggling in their prospecting or what results they've had so far, or, you know, how they're doing in their company. Chances are, if they're watching your video and they're asking you questions, they're probably struggling with that. So there might be a window for you to help them with that, or at least open the door to start a conversation and maybe introduce your network marketing company to them. So that is how to use video marketing to grow your network marketing business. Again, my name's Kari Baxter. You can check out more topics of conversation for social media and network marketing on my blog at karibaxter.com. If you like this video, I would love it if you would give it a like below. You can subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on network marketing and social media, and especially video marketing. It's so hot right now. So subscribe to YouTube below. And again, if you want to check out how I have generated or found people to talk to on Facebook, check out karibaxter.com/PFBM. So have a great week. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I will respond to you personally. Have a great day.